If you're looking for quality sod to be delivered or installed at your home or business, you've found the right place. We are Dallas Sod Company. We are your local sod farm, sod installers, and helpful lawn experts in Dallas, Texas. As sod experts, we know our grass and our customers. That's why we can offer the best sod solutions at competitive pricing. Simply use our online ordering system on our website to choose your sod type, the perfect amount you need, and finally, choose if you want sod delivered only or a full-service installation where we provide everything. Using our website, you can build your quote and place your order now. Your sod is freshly cut and delivered in its best condition to ensure your project's success. If you aren't sure how much sod you need to cover an area, or have a question on how to properly install your new sod, we have a consultant standing by. You can call us, ask a question on our website, or order an on-site consultation from the website. So what are you waiting for? Whether you need help ordering sod or need full-service sod installation, place your order today.